Good morning mga kakusina! For today, gagawa naman tayo ng pickled green papaya. We will need medium green papaya, red onions, carrots, red bell pepper, garlic, ginger, sugar, at white vinegar. Shred our vegetables gaya ng nakikita po natin. Combine 1 cup of white sugar into 2 cups of white vinegar. Haluin lang natin ng maigi ang ating 2 ingredients hanggang sa wala na tayong makikitang sugar crystals. After that, pakuluan natin ang ating solution under medium fire. Kapag nag-start na siyang mag-simmer, ilagay na ang ginger, garlic, ilagay din natin ang red onions, then wait for just about 10 seconds to infuse the flavors of our spices. Then we can now turn off the flame. While it's still hot in the pot, what I did here is I add the remaining 3 ingredients. I add in shredded green papayas, red bell peppers, and shredded carrots. Mix well till all the ingredients are incorporated. Have it mga kakusina, leave it overnight at pwedeng-pwede na po natin siyang kainin.